Namaskar. In this class, we are discussing some theoretical topics regarding MySQL. In last class, we already discussed about MySQL installation and create table, create database, use database, insert command and select command. In this class, we will discuss, as shown in your screen, some terminologies regarding SQL. First one is database. A database is a collection of tables with related data. It means if we are creating more than one tables in a database, it means it is database. Like MySQL, lots of databases are available. In last class we were using test database, and as you can see in test database there is a table student. If we are creating more than one tables in a database, the collection of tables is known as database. I think it is this clear command. This is clear. Second point is relation. In MySQL, a relation is also known as table. It means student table. A student table is also known as relation in MySQL. Third point is attribute or column. A table is consists of row and columns, and here column is known as attribute, and rows are known as tuple and tuple. I think these four terminologies are clear. Relation, table, column is also known as attribute, and row is also known as tuple. The next terminology is redundancy. Redundancy means repetition of data. For example, in this table, if I am writing here BCA and BCA, similar value in a single column, it is known as redundancy, repetition of data. In database, redundancy should be eliminated. It means we should insert unique values always. The next term is primary key. A primary key is a unique key. A key value cannot occur twice in one table. It means redundancy is not allowed. With a key, you can only find one row. Table will have only one primary key. It means in a table there is only one primary key. For example, in this student table, we can assign such a field that can contains unique value like registration number. Name field cannot be assigned as a primary key because two persons can have same name. Class cannot, because two students may be same class. Date of birth also same and percentage also same. In this field we can create in this table we can create registration number as a primary key. I think it is clear. If I am using here email address, mobile number, those fields may be assigned as a primary key. When you are assigning a primary key field in a table, it should be unique, cannot be null. Null means 0 cannot be say null, but if I am mentioning here null, it's not allowed. Here should be there any value. Okay. And next term is unique key. Unique key says primary key is also like a unique key, but there is a difference between primary key and unique key is that primary key field cannot be null, but unique key column can be null, but should be unique. I think got it. I am repeating. Primary key field cannot be null and it should be unique. Unique key also says it should be unique, but it can be null. There are two tables are given. If we are including is combinedly, it becomes a database. Now next topic is SQL commands. SQL commands are divided into 4 sections: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. DDL stands data definition language, DML data manipulation language, DCL data control language and TCL for transaction control language. In DDL we are categorized some commands: create database, create table, alter table, drop table, truncate, comment and rename like this. In DML, select, insert, update, delete, merge, call, explain, plan, log table. In DCL, that is data control language, grant and revoke. And last one, TCL transaction control language, that is commit, rollback, save point and set transaction. All these commands we will discuss in details. We already discussed about create database, insert and select commands. It means we discuss DDL's create command, DML's insert and select command. Now we are discussing some commands in practical format. In last class we created database test, and now I am indirectly using test database, use test. It means when you are using SQL, no requirement to create database again and again. If you created first, you can directly use them. You can show by using show tables commands. You can see the how many tables are there. There is a command DESC table name STUDENT. It will show the structure of your table. As you can see, describe student. In this table there are 5 fields are there. Now there is a command select start from student. By using this command you can see the all data in this student table. As you can see here 5 records are there: roll number 101, registration number 102, 103, 104 and 105. 5 commands are there. It means we have created create database, create table already, insert and select command. Now update and delete. Update command is generally used update the data. For example, I forgot I insert wrong entries in marks column of Amit. So how I can update table name student set marks equal to 100 where name equal to Amit. Query okay. You can see the result in this. Marks got updated from 98.2 to 100. In similar way, if you want to update all records by some numbers, like set marks equal to marks minus 5 of all the students. I am writing command update student set marks equal to marks minus 5. It will be deduct 5 marks of each record in this table like this, and now you can see the result. All the marks are deducted by in this. Next command is delete command. Delete command is used to delete a particular record like this. Delete student, delete from student, we have name equal to Amit. Query okay. You can see the result. Now Amit record has deleted. I think it is clear. There are 2 important commands: delete and drop, and update and alter. We will discuss the difference between these by practically in next class. In this class we can do 2-3 practicals more regarding update commands like this. Update marks equal to marks plus minus 5. If you want to specific result name equal to Ram. Query okay. You can see the result. In this table, Ram marks 83 and 78.2 is there. In this way, you can use the update commands. I will attach the code also with this video. If you are facing any problem, you can mention in comment. I will solve there.